Laundry care has come a long way from the traditional soap and scrub method. The modern consumer is presented with an array of detergent choices, each formulated to meet specific needs and preferences. Among the most popular options are liquid detergent, powder detergent, and detergent pods. These three contenders have distinct properties that cater to diverse washing routines, machine types, and cleaning demands. In this comprehensive analysis, we delve into the properties, benefits, and drawbacks of each to help you make an informed decision about which one suits your laundry needs the best. So stay tuned till end of the video and don't miss any of these. Liquid detergent. Liquid detergent, in its various formulations, is a versatile and widely used laundry solution. It is known for its fluid consistency and ease of use. Liquid detergents are water-based solutions that incorporate a combination of surfactants, enzymes, and other cleaning agents. Their liquid form allows for quick dissolution in water, ensuring even distribution of cleaning agents across the fabric. Benefits. Ease of use. One of the standout advantages of liquid detergents is their user-friendliness. Their liquid form ensures easy pouring and quick dissolving in water. This makes them a preferred choice for those who value convenience and simplicity in their laundry routines. Stain pretreatment. Liquid detergents can double as stain pretreatments. Their fluid consistency allows for targeted application onto stains, allowing them to penetrate and break down the stubborn marks before the actual wash cycle. Cold water efficiency. Liquid detergents are designed to dissolve effectively even in cold water, making them energy efficient and a suitable choice for environments where hot water is scarce. Drawbacks. Measurement accuracy. Pouring liquid detergent can sometimes be imprecise, leading to overuse or underuse of the product. This can impact both the cleaning efficiency and the cost-effectiveness of using liquid detergents. Packaging waste. Most liquid detergents are packaged in plastic containers, contributing to the plastic waste problem. Although some brands are making efforts to introduce eco-friendly packaging, the issue of plastic waste remains a concern. Before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Powder detergents. Powder detergents have been a staple in laundry rooms for decades, offering a powerful cleaning punch in a granulated form. Powder detergents consist of dry granules that contain a blend of cleaning agents, enzymes, and surfactants. They are often used in both top-loading and front-loading washing machines. Benefits. Cleaning power. Powder detergents are celebrated for their potent cleaning capabilities. Their concentrated form allows them to contain a higher concentration of enzymes and other cleaning agents, making them exceptionally effective at tackling stubborn stains and heavy soiling. Cost effectiveness. In terms of cost per load, powder detergents tend to be more economical than their liquid counterparts. This makes them an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or larger households with frequent laundry needs. Less packaging waste. Many powder detergents are packaged in cardboard boxes, which are generally more environmentally friendly and easily recyclable than plastic bottles. Drawbacks. Residue and clumping. Powder detergents can sometimes leave residue on clothes or within the washing machine drum if not fully dissolved. Additionally, they can clump together in humid conditions, reducing their effectiveness. Cold water dissolving. Powder detergents might struggle to dissolve completely in cold water, necessitating the use of warm water for optimal performance. This could negate some of the energy-saving benefits associated with cold water washing. Detergent pods. Detergent pods represent a recent innovation in laundry care, offering pre-measured doses of detergent in a convenient, encapsulated form. Detergent pods are self-contained units that encompass a concentrated dose of liquid or powder detergent. The pod's outer material dissolves in water, releasing the detergent inside during the wash cycle. Benefits: convenience. Detergent pods epitomize convenience. With pre-measured doses, there's no need for measuring or pouring, making them a hassle-free option for busy individuals or those seeking simplicity in their laundry routine. Reduced wastage. The pre-measured nature of pods reduces the risk of using excessive detergent, leading to wastage. This not only saves money, but also contributes to more environmentally friendly washing practices. Portability. Pods are compact and easy to transport, making them an excellent choice for travelers or for doing laundry in shared spaces like laundromats. Drawbacks. Environmental impact. Despite their convenience, the environmental impact of detergent pods can be a concern. Most pods are packaged in plastic, contributing to plastic waste, and their compact design might make them less recyclable. Cost per load. Detergent pods often come with a higher cost per load compared to traditional liquid or powder detergents. While the convenience might justify the price for some, it's an important consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Limited customization. Pre-measured pods offer less flexibility in adjusting the detergent amount based on load size or soil level. This might lead to less effective cleaning for heavily soiled or larger loads. In the ongoing debate of liquid detergent as powder detergents as detergent pods, there is no definitive winner. The choice among these options depends on individual preferences, washing machine specifications, cleaning needs, and environmental concerns. Liquid detergents excel in ease of use and versatility. Powder detergents impress with their cleaning power and cost-effectiveness, while detergent pods prioritize convenience and reduced wastage. As consumer demands evolve and environmental consciousness grows, it's likely that manufacturers will continue to innovate, addressing the drawbacks associated with each type and providing even more tailored options for maintaining the cleanliness and longevity of clothing and fabrics. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching the video.